Welcome everyone back to the Your Boy Yoda channel. Today we will be playing Monkey on a Shelf. Yo, good job, good job.
You too.
Oh, that's me, Purple Monkey.
Boink.
I'm recording this.
I drank a liter bottle of Cherry Coke in 5 seconds. How do you get up there, guys?
Okay, everyone, there's a new host for Monkey on a Shelf.
How do you get
Whoever
up
wants to be it can be it.
Here, let me teach you. Purple. Okay. Let me teach you. So you smack the floor and you get onto this.
Okay, everyone, new game, new game, new game,
Hard. Yes.
new game.
This is called purple. Purple.
Okay.
Purple.
Purple.
Yeah. Purple. Come here.
Me?
Purple.
Purple.
Purple. Purple.
Is that allowed?
To the floor.
Is this
Yeah.
allowed?
Cut G and then hit it as hard as you can.
Yeah, what is this?
That's why they call me the top G.
Look at me.
G.
Okay, everyone.
Purple.
Look, you stand right
Okay, anyways, everyone on the shelf, we're getting ready. My monkeys! If you're not on the shelf in the next 5 seconds, you are eliminated. Blues fly.
3 seconds.
3, 2, 1. If you're not on the shelf, you're eliminated. Okay, ready? Okay.
Purple.
Yes.
I'm doing hard mode. What? Purple, I'm doing hard mode.
Okay.
I'm doing hard mode.
Yes.
I'm doing hard mode, which means that he's on the bottom. I'm trying to do.
Okay, this thing that I'm on, the checkout over there is eliminated.
Literally didn't check out. Okay.
I need to get up here.
If you're not off the post in the next 5 seconds, you are eliminated.
I did it. Man,
I'm out. Not eliminated.
If you are out, stand where I am. If you're out, stand where I am.
I'm eliminated.
Can I be eliminated?
Sure. You just stand over there. Wait, you guys watch to see if anyone hits the floor. Okay. Okay, everyone. Next round. This is eliminated. This right here is eliminated. Ready, go.
Come on. You got it. Come on. Hello.
Well, you guys getting smart.
How'd you get up there?
It's a grammar school.
Just go on the little shelf and then...
Blue, I'm sorry to say this, Mini Blue, you're eliminated.
I did it. I did it.
Okay, everyone. Next, all countertop thingies are eliminated. All of these are eliminated.
All the hats?
I like to be in the...
Oh, that's easy. All the hats and the countertops?
No, yeah, all the countertops and hats.
I got it.
Ready, go.
I did it.
Yeah, at this point, it's just impossible.
I did it.
Nice. Okay, okay.
Let's go!
Yo, good job.
Gray pole, it's floor. This is not
Gray pole.
Gray.
He's out. You're out.
I already did it.
Jay Cook, you're out.
Dark purple. He touched the ground.
Yeah, okay, you're out. Actually, no, dark purple, come here. Come here. Follow me. You're allowed to touch the ground. Follow me. Purple, follow me. We're gonna have a little chat. Monkey to monkey. Follow me. Come up here. So listen, you over here. Congratulations. You are the new host. Congratulations. Okay.
Purple flower. Can I be in this spell?
I'm invisible to everybody.
Get in that corner, boy.
I'm invisible.
Get out! Why are we yelling? Hey. How's the count?
That will be all for this video. Tune back soon to see the next one. You know, Yoda, out.